Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by connecting the phone to a PC with ADB available. This lets you avoid a factory reset. Once connected, unlock developer options on other devices if needed and ensure the phone charges above 50% so it won't die mid-process. Make sure you can sign into the same Google or brand account used on the phone. While you set up the PC side, take care to enable file transfer mode on the phone if prompted. This allows ADB to communicate reliably. You will now run targeted ADB commands to remove the lock file or push a temporary password. Start with a DB shell and then remove the gesture or password file. For pattern, remove /data/system/gesture. Key, and for PIN, remove password files. Once done, reboot the device, and you should be able to access settings without the old lock. If the device blocks direct file removal, boot into recovery and use ADB sideload or mount data, because recovery can grant the needed access to modify those files. Once you regain access, set a new strong lock and verify your Google or OEM account sync to ensure continuity. Make sure to reboot and test the new lock several times, then create a full backup so you won't lose data next time. If ADB methods fail, you can use your device maker's account recovery tool or contact support. These options preserve data more often than a factory reset. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip: check USB drivers, try a different cable, and use another PC to rule out host side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.